Let's take a look at this question. Anytime you see a question like this in chemistry, just identify where the problem is coming from. Now, in this case, we have, you see that if 100 atoms of element X contain 70 atoms of what, this question, me looking at it, it is coming from what? Isotopy. And it is very, very simple for you to calculate or solve problem involving isotopy. Now, in this question, I will teach you two ways in which you can use and solve this particular problem. So for you viewers, you just drop on the comment the method that is best suited for you. Now we look at this element X with atomic mass number 9 contain what? Contain 70 atoms. Element X contain what? 70 atoms. Now element this same element, remember isotopy is a phenomenon where an atom have the same atomic number but what? Different mass number. This is mass number. This one that is raised to power a mass number. This one contain what? Contain 30 atoms. Now I'll draw my this thing. This is first method. This is, I'll title the second method. This is what? First method. Now the first method, what you are going to do is that this element, this atomic mass of this one, you say 9 times 70 plus this one here, we have 11 times what? 30 divided by the total atom, because if we add this 30 plus this one will give us what? It gives us this 100. So this atom that is 100 has what? 70 of this S9 and 30 of what? Of S11. So you divide it by what? By 100. What you are going to do is that 70 times this, 70 times 9, what you are going to have is 630 plus, if you times this one by this one, you have what? 300 and what? 30. You divide it by what? By 100. What you are going to have is what? 960 divided by what? 100. The answer is what? 9.6. This is this method. Move to the second method. The second method is you have the same atom. All right, we have atom with the mass number of this. So what you are going to do, change this one into percentage. We have 9 times, you change this one into percentage, 70 over what? Over 100. That's how to change it to percentage. You add it with what? Plus, what you are going to have is what? 11. Change this one to percentage also, this 30. So 11 times what? 30 over what? Over 100. Do you get that? So now what you are going to do is 9 times, if we convert this, change this into percentage, you have what? You have 0.7 plus 11 times, if you change this one, will give you what? 0.3. Do you get that? So now if you now add this one, if you now multiply this one by this one, you add it with what? You add it with what? You add it by the multiplication of this one and this one. So your answer is what? 9.11. Drop it on the comment section, the method that best suits you. Is it this method or is this method? For those who are joining us for the first time, this is JAMB YouTube channel. You can as well follow us on Facebook on JAMB Online Chemistry. Do well to share this video to as many as possible. That is the only way you can encourage me. That is the only way you can support me. I love you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.